Oh, hi, Jimmy J, Cryptographic. Good morning. How are you, tubers, this lovely day? Another little update on the Bitcoin fork coming up. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video for a couple of days. I had a bit of stuff on over the weekend, but I just thought I'd have a quick chat to you guys about my strategy for the fork coming up this evening. I left it in the comments of my last video about the fork, but I thought I'd upload a specific video for those of you who are wondering what to do with the fork coming up this evening. So for us, I'm here in Melbourne. For those of you that are in Australia, it's going to be at about 25 past 10, I believe, that the fork's going to happen. So whatever you decide to do with whether you want to have your holdings mostly in Bitcoin or your holdings mostly in altcoins, you should decide to do that before that time, 10:20 or 10:25 this evening. There's actually there's a countdown site for the fork that I'm going to put in the comments for you guys. So anyone wants to check it out, go on in there. As for me, I mentioned in my last video that BitTrex or Bittrex is going to be paying out Bitcoin Cash for any people that have Bitcoin held in their Bittrex wallets accounts. So that's good to know, given that my main exchange that I use is Bittrex, apart from Bitfinex. And so the angle that I'm taking now is to have pretty much 50-50 of my trading portfolio in alts and Bitcoin. So I'm going to be moving a bit more than I usually have in Bittrex over to there to take advantage of what I believe is going to be a pretty profitable time if you play your cards right over the next sort of few days. It'll probably even more so over just the next 48 hours. I do believe we're going to see a big jump in the altcoins as people probably a higher percentage of people are going to be selling off that Bitcoin Cash quite quickly, trying to turn a quick profit on it, and then putting that money back into the altcoins that they were holding before the fork and before they heard the news of Bitcoin Cash. So usually I would not recommend, for me personally, I think I've mentioned before that I never have more than about 0.2 Bitcoin, 0.25 at an absolute maximum in my Bittrex account or in any exchange or trading account for that matter. So the moment I'm going to have about 0.4 in there, which is a lot more than I usually do and a lot more than I'm frankly comfortable with. But just to have that quick access to the Bitcoin Cash while I decide what I'm going to sort of do with it, I think will be valuable in this time. So as I said, about 50-50. I'm looking mostly at AntShares, STEEM, Monero, Litecoin, and some Stratus as well, which I'm just trying to work out an entry point on that. I'm hoping that it'll maybe go down again at some point over the next 5-6 hours. Also holding, all the rest of my long-term holds, which I have in the description section of my videos. So anyone who wants to follow along with that is more than welcome to. I also have my Twitter account, which is the same name as my YouTube account. It's @Cryptographic with a capital K at the start of it. So I'm starting to try and upload more of my trades in real time on there for anyone who wants to follow along with them. As I said, again, sorry that I haven't released a video for a few days. I'm going to endeavor to get one out every day again from today. So I look forward to chatting with you guys soon, and let me know in the comments what you're going to be doing with your Bitcoin or your altcoins, and which angle you're going to be taking with the fork upcoming this evening. So look forward to chatting to you guys soon. Jimmy J, Cryptographic. See you later.